Experiencing the dreaded tire pressure sensors not detected message on your Ford C-Max? You're not alone. This persistent TPMS issue is common in C-Max models produced from 2012 to 2018. The root cause often lies in a faulty TPMS control module that fails to communicate with the tire pressure sensors. Think of the TPMS as a messenger system. Each tire has a sensor sending pressure data to the module, which then displays it on your dashboard. When the module malfunctions or can't receive signals, you get the error message. These sensors transmit data wirelessly via RF at 433 MHz, powered by lithium batteries that last 5 to 10 years but degrade with exposure to heat, cold, or moisture. The good news is that recalls and DIY fixes can help get you back on the road. There are several ways to fix this TPMS problem. First, check if your C-Max is covered by Ford's recall for free module replacement. Contact your local dealership to verify. If it's not covered or the problem persists post-repair, consider these solutions. Module replacement. Swapping the OEM module, Ford part GG1T-4B372AA. It's under the driver's side dashboard or near the fuse box. Requires reprogramming with Ford IDS software to match your car's VIN. Sensor replacement. Each sensor costs $50 to $100. This requires tire dismounting and balancing. DIY fixes. Some owners use aftermarket TPMS kits and OBD2 scanners like Torque or Blue Driver to diagnose and reset the system. Look for error codes like C1A01 or C1A20. Remember to perform a TPMS relearn via ignition cycle or dealer tool to sync new sensors. Ford advises against DIY fixes due to warranty risks.